Hey, and welcome back to Beauty for the Win. Today I want to do a video of me dyeing my blonde ends with Revlon Colorsilk Beautiful Color. And this particular color is Dark Brown, number 30. The reason why I am dyeing my blonde ends is because I'm kind of getting tired of them. I've had them for quite a while now, and I just want to go back to dark, and then eventually I might get highlights. And in the fall, dark hair is definitely in. I'm going to be using my brush that I purchased separately for dyeing my hair. If you're like me and you don't have a hairdresser's cape, best thing to do is to use a garbage bag. Just do a hole for your head and 2 holes for your arms, and good to go, works every time. Here is the cream color developer and the ammonia-free colorant. That's another thing about this that I read online. It's supposed to make your hair feel smooth, unlike a lot of hair dyes do afterwards, and it's ammonia-free, so that is a bonus. You're not wrecking your hair as much as you could be. And of course the instructions that come with the gloves. We're going to take the colorant and we're going to put it into the developer, and we're going to shake it up, separate our hair, and apply it. What I forgot to tell you guys is that I love to use this brush for blending, but I also use my gloves to really work in the mixture. So the sheet here says to leave it on for 25 minutes. So I'll see what it's like after 25 minutes, and then I'll leave it on for possibly another 10, 15, 20 minutes, depending on what the color is. After 25 minutes, this is the result. My hair is smooth. It is a very dark brown, but I'm very happy with the results. I know that after a couple washes, the darkness will fade a little bit, so it won't be as dramatically dark, but all in all, this is a really great box dye to try out. I would definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.